Hey YouTube, got my 2011 Ford F150 Lariat 4x4. Actually, kind of like this truck. It's the first Ford I've really ever owned. Here I got the 5.0 liter Coyote engine. So the thing is all the YouTube videos say this the fuse is the one that makes your truck crank but not start. And if it not, there's another one over here to check. So all my fuses, all the relays, I've swapped a couple of these relays around in the back, but because they're all exactly identified the same, so I just switched them up just to see if it made a difference. But a new fuel pump, new fuel modulator, and still crank no start every once in a while. And it's really weird, kind of, you know, all the things that I thought were going to be possibly. My next was going to be a crank position sensor, but I think I found the problem. So my stepson filled up the oil right there a couple of weeks ago or whatever, right before all this started. But of course, because he's a little touched, he left the cap off. Left it sitting up here on the battery. Luckily I found it, but yeah, and it sprayed all over the back over here. So I just went through and I put some dye selector grease on these, and if you take these like this and you pop that, these come off. And I did that a couple times and I haven't had a problem with, because I know that's kind of a junction box up there. I just sprayed them with WD-40 to get rid of any moisture or whatever in those, because it was kind of cutting out and stuff. So I'm hoping that fixed my problem, was just pulling those loose, putting a little dye selector grease in there, and sticking them back on there. And it's been starting every time since.